First, you're going to need your bust measurement. Find the fullest point of your chest and write that number down. To figure out the length of AB, take your bust measurement and divide it in half. The second measurement you'll need is the length of the top. Measure from your bust down to your natural waist, which should be about an inch above your belly button. Connect all the points and you should have a rectangle. The third measurement you need is from the center front of your bust to your nipple point. Mark that on your rectangle, then draw a line straight up and down through the point. This line indicates where the straps will start. How far the length from E to F will depend on how much fabric and paper you have. Point G also depends on how wide you want the straps. I made mine 1.5 inches. Next, to find H, just extend point G all the way down to reach the waistline. Depending on how low cut you want the top to be, the neckline length will be different. I chose 2 inches above the bust line. Next, curve out the neckline, like so. To get point I, mark 1 inch away from point D. This will be the point where we start to separate this rectangle into 3 pieces. Connect point I and point H, and this will be the front bodice piece. For the other 2 pieces, I just split the left side into 2 equal parts. It may be different for you, so please make multiple mock-ups and adjust this pattern to fit your body however you need. And finally, I want to curve out the bottom to fit my waist perfectly. So to find point J, measure up from point C 2 inches or so and curve it out to meet point I. Your final product should be 3 pieces, like this. But if you have to play a little fabric Tetris, there's the bonus strap piece too.
Show what we talk about.